All right, folks, here go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2017 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor with 96,000 miles, 3.7 liter engine. This is gonna be the all-wheel drive. Original bright white from factory, folks. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she is in immaculate running condition and shape, ready to go to her new home or ready to go to work. Vehicle does have a clean and clear title. Once again, original paint, folks. Vehicle does have some minor door dings. I counted about maybe 5 door dings on this vehicle. However, I couldn't see any visible major scratches. It does have very tiny little scratches that, yes, they're not noticeable at all on this vehicle. Let me stop right here. Let me backtrack. Folks, as you guys can see, the vehicle does have a window tint from the department that appears to be like a medium shade. You can see right through, and it's kind of clear, and it's very nice inside. Folks, before I forget, this is going to be a flex fuel unit E85. Okay, vehicle does have a factory working backup sensors and camera. Vehicle also does have 5 holes on the roof from previous police equipment where the antennas used to be. Folks, I decided to leave the vehicle with the rubber plugs in the holes. They are covered with rubber plugs and silicone, so there is no air or water leaking into the cabin, folks. But it's, let's just say you are interested in this vehicle and you want to put antennas on there and say, hey Mario, I want to put some antennas on those holes just to cover them up. I can do that for you at an additional cost, or I can leave it alone. That'll be totally up to you. Once again, folks, vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she doesn't need any repairs whatsoever, as I already have done everything to the vehicle myself. Once again, I'm setting you up for success on another great looking running vehicle here, folks. Before I forget, folks, I got to tell you, the vehicle does have new rear OEM Motorcraft brakes and rotors. Those are new, folks. Front brakes are around 75%, so I did not have to replace brakes in the front. All 4 steel wheels are nice and black, so no refurbishment was required. The vehicle by far was in very nice condition, so whatever officer was assigned to this vehicle, they did an amazing job staying on top of it. The vehicle does have a nice set of clean and clear front lights, 1 working LED spotlight. Everything works in this vehicle, folks. You guys can see the lights are nice and clear. No yellowing, no oxidation whatsoever. No chips in the front whatsoever. Once again, whoever was assigned to this vehicle did an amazing job taking care of it. Let me show you the holes on the roof. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The rubber plug is in here. Sorry, you kind of can see the rubber plug is here, and they are enforced by silicone. So it's sealed tight, folks. Sealed tight. All right, let's continue. Let's go inside, folks. If I do forget to mention something in the video, I will mention it in my description, my eBay description. This is where the vehicle is going to go up for sale. All right, guys, here is the interior. It's in mint conditions. Nice leather rear seat. All seatbelts and buckles are in place. Vehicle does have a perfect vinyl flooring inside. Door panels are in great shape as well. All 4 door panels are in great shape. Don't mind this right here. I just put it so I can keep it kind of clean. No holes whatsoever. Vehicle does have a Havis police type center console there, folks, for you guys. Once again, that is a Havis center console. What you see is what you're gonna get. I'm not parting away with that. So if whoever buys the car, you're taking that with you. Driver's side seat is nice and comfortable. Passenger side seat appears to be in new condition. I don't think nobody ever sat there, as this vehicle was assigned to 1 officer. One, I do have 2 keys. They're the basic keys, no fob. Okay, 2 keys, no fob. Okay, let's go ahead and fire her up. We clean this up here for you guys. Vehicle does have 95,000 miles, so I'm gonna go ahead and round it up to 96. I am gonna be driving this vehicle due to the fact that it is an E85, so it's saving me a little bit money at the pump. Stereo does work. YouTube, I do not own the rights to the song. Stereo does work. Vehicle is equipped with factory Bluetooth, which does work, so you can talk through the vehicle and you can stream your music. I'm doing it as we speak when I'm doing errands on this vehicle. Honk does work. Cruise control does work. LED spotlight does work. Map lights do work. Ticket light, red, white, does work. This vehicle has 2. The one in the back also works, okay? It will be in the picture. Center console right here, you had an open hole, so I went and I bought 2 sheets of ABC glass, modified it in here to cover the hole. Vehicle also does have rear AC. You clean this up for you guys. Vehicle that does have rear AC, so it's dual AC in the front and the back. You can control it from here. Auxiliary right in, USB cable connection. Yes, does work. Okay. Trunk release, tailgate release is right here. You got a 10-second delay before it clicks and it locks itself again. So let's go run back here and show you guys. Voila. Clean this up here for you guys. Alright, did I mention the vehicle does have backup sensors? Those little black dots are the sensors. White LED, red LED. Folks, everything does work. You guys are gonna see that the spare tire is missing. I took it out to have the trunk spare tire compartment cleaned out, so floor jack is there, whole dump pen is there. Don't worry folks, I will be putting a full spare tire in here. Okay, so just doing this for the video. Okay, let me see. This is gonna be a police interceptor. Once again, this is gonna be an E85. The air conditioner on this vehicle is nice and cold. I did have the vehicle, the AC service recharged. When I first got the car in, yes, it was working, but I noticed it wasn't that cold as it should be. So I did have that taken care of. As you guys already know, the vehicle does come with factory HID lights. They're pretty bright at night. I actually love the way these look. Let me go ahead and turn those off. Get away, get away. Freaking flies all over the place. All right, one hand here, folks. Let me see if I can get this done. Yep, please hold. All right, and this is the engine. Ladies and gentlemen, as you guys can see, my detail crew did an amazing job cleaning this bad boy up. And it is ready to go anywhere. No funny noises, no funny smells, no funny clicks, popping sounds, nothing, folks. Let me quiet here so you guys can see it and you guys can hear it actually. Alright folks, starting right to left, I do have a brand new air filter. Throttle body will service clean out. I do have a new purge valve on this one. This was a Motorcraft, new Motorcraft purge valve. I do have 6 Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs. Transmission was serviced and we did use Motorcraft Mercon LV. Air conditioner was recharged. Full synthetic 520 oil service was done. Rear brakes and rotors were replaced. Those are going to be Motorcraft. Drive belt and tensioner for that department looks like to have been already replaced at some point, so they look good. No cracks, no dryness, so I left that alone. Cabin filter also was replaced inside the globe, behind the glove box inside the cabin. So brand new OEM cabin filter on this one. Tires are in great shape from the department, so I left those alone. Those are going to be the Goodyear Eagle Enforcer tires, 245s, 55/18s. Rear differential was checked and it was full, so I went ahead and left that alone, folks. It's all part of the inspection. Some vehicles will require a little, some vehicles will require more, and that's not a problem. For those vehicles that do require more from me, I will give it to them, not a problem. All right, here we go. One last final look, folks. If you guys see something that you guys like, please do not hesitate to give me a call. Let's talk about it. Let's see if we can come to an agreement and get ourselves a deal. Once again, folks, this is going to be a 2017 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor, 3.7 liter engine, all-wheel drive, in just about great conditions. I'm gonna say perfect, but I don't want you guys to get the wrong ideas. It's just a used vehicle, but I do a good job going through the vehicle myself to make sure that you guys are safe on the road. I also do sell to security companies, so I gotta make sure these vehicles are completely safe and reliable for those officers out there doing their job. All right, so I don't cut any corners. Once again, folks, if I gotta spend extra money, I will, and I just get it done. All right, folks, if you have any questions, comments about this vehicle, and or you are interested about buying this vehicle, please do not hesitate to give me a call or text me. This is going to be the Crown Victoria guy, also known as SoCal Police Cruisers. You guys have a blessed week ahead of you. Thanks for watching here for these 12 minutes. God bless and take care. See you around.